Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and there were even more discounts this week that I am excited to share. But first, I wanted to highlight some of the new and popular items that just showed up this week. So in the home decor section, I found this metal decor piece. This is a wall hook, solid metal, painted gold in like a monstera leaf. They also have this design as well. These are really nice for $1.50. I think these are a great price for these. Great for decor or even to incorporate into a DIY. And if you missed out on the first release of all of these candles, these are those candy and dessert inspired scented candles. They have come back and I saw them at multiple stores. So you could see all of the different fun flavors and the scents that you can enjoy, but they did have a shelf full of these. So yes, make sure you check out the home decor section. These are $1.25 a piece. Now, another candle that I spotted were these. These are the luminescence candles. Now, I've seen luminescence candles, but I have not seen this shape and size before. So they had apple cinnamon. They had this one, which is the fresh linen, and they also had the lavender fields one. So yes, make sure you look for these. These are also just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Now, these are another item that I saw. Now, excuse all the graduation balloons, but that's what's going on right now. But they were right over these new solar lights. Check out these. These have the large globe on these solar lights. And let me tell you, they just put these out. I visited this Dollar Tree twice this week, and half of them were gone within 2 days. So they did have multiple colors, your red, your yellow, your clear, your blue, and your green. Now, the clear was going the fastest, but these are $1.50 a piece. Really fun item. Another solar light that they had was these. Now, they do have a larger version of this in the plus section for more, but these are just $1.50. And you can see I love the design. If you get one of the garden hooks that are metal and pair it up with this for $1.50, for $3, you have a beautiful set that you could put outside of your home for solar lights. Now, here's another one that's really popular. First of all, this crackle glass globe is really great quality and it's really heavy. Now, when these light up, they have different colors and it'll be indicated on each one. They have multiple colors for these for $1.50. Now, these come in a blue, red, green, and kind of a clear color. So make sure you check that out for $1.50. And along with summer comes more summer tableware in the catering section. Now, everything in the catering section is $2 now, but you get multi-packs of different things. Whether you wanted your utensils, the bowls, the little shot glasses or dessert glasses, they do have multi-packs of the different sizes, and you can see all the bright summer colors that go along with a lot of the dish collections they've been releasing in the melamine. So yes, you can get all of these. They're $2 a piece. Now, this does include all of the trays and the plates in the collection. Just make sure you go to the catering section. You could get the multi-packs for $2 a piece, and they did have different ones that I've never seen before, like these cups with the base on them. But yes, make sure you swing by there and check it out. Now, while I was over in that area, I decided to check out these gift bags. I love the sayings on them, so quirky. I have amazing taste, and this is better than nothing. I love these little phrases, little quirky little phrases. If you hate it, then I'll take it. Yes, I love that one. And then they have this one, don't get too excited. So yes, check out these gift bags. They're so fun. Now, also, I saw this display with the Mother's Day cards. They're getting rid of them for $1. I was so surprised to see a $1 display, but make sure you check your Dollar Trees for that as well. Now, here is another thing that I thought was interesting. Coca-Cola brand magnetic clips. I haven't seen these before in a 2-pack. They're $1.25. I also found the t-shirts. Now, I've always seen the plain solid color t-shirts, but now I'm finding them in different designs, whether it's like Noodles or Popeye or other different characters, and they come in assorted sizes. Now, I did visit multiple stores and I found so many. Now, this was a new style that I hadn't seen before. These are color block tees. Now, all of the t-shirts are $1.50, but you could get different sizes and color combinations for $1.50. Kids are out of school. We're gonna need what they call play clothes, and for $1.50, yes, get a bunch of these for the kids to just go out and just have fun, and it doesn't matter if they get torn or dirty. I mean, they're play clothes, right? But for $1.50, they have the adult sizes, and at another store, I saw these in kids sizes starting at size 4. So yes, make sure you check those out for $1.50. And look what's back. These zipper pouches that went viral a few months ago that you could put your baby wipes in, they are back at Dollar Tree, $1.25. I found some new hair products, and this time it's from the Cantu line. So this is the Cantu Protective Styles hair cleanser. It's got apple cider vinegar and aloe in there. I did pick one of these up. I cannot wait to try it to see how it works on my curly hair. Another Cantu item I saw was this pick. Now this is a hair pick. You could use it for parting and lifting and combing, and it's solid wood. I can definitely appreciate that, and it's $1.25. Now here's another product too, these Eben products. This is the tinted lace foaming mousse. I've never seen this product at Dollar Tree before, and it has like kind of a fancy package, but it does come in multiple colors. You could get it in medium brown. This one here is what they call the natural beige color. So they have that one with the tinted mousse, and then that last one that they have is a light warm brown color. Now I don't know exactly how to use this product or what you would use it for. If you've tried this, let me know. Now the only one they didn't have is the dark brown, so they did have 4 altogether, so check your Dollar Trees for $1.25. They also, in the health and beauty, they have these 100 packs of plastic gloves. Now these are not medical gloves. These are for gloves for your hairstyling. You want to apply some chemicals or dye, hair products, bleaches. This is what you would use, and they come in a 100 count package in multiple sizes. For $1.25, you just can't beat that price. If you want some red, white, and blue hair accessories, they have these Invisibobble scrunchies. They just showed up at Dollar Tree. These are also just $1.25 if you're looking for the red, white, and blue hair accessories. Goody has showed up with some things as well. So this is a 3-pack. This is like a headband, and you get 3 in black, gray, and dark blue for $1.25. If you were looking for vitamins or gummies, they have these gummies. So this is the Happy Heroes Immune Guard. Then they have this one, which is the Vision Guard. And then they have the blue one, which is the Brain Boost version. All of them have a different compilations of vitamins and omegas. So they're $1.25 as well. Spa Luxury has come out with more of the whipped shaving creams, this time Brazilian Soul. Of course, they're coming with Brazilian Soul and a lot of different items. And this Dulce de Leche, they have that one too. That is a new one I've never seen before for $1.25. Now for the guys, I found these. So these are body sprays. These are antiperspirants. So this is called Above Men. They've got a 72-hour antiperspirant, and they had 4 different scents in this. I've never seen this. It caught my eye with the sports logo on the front. So if you're looking to put together like a gift basket for dad or something and looking for something with sports logos, definitely check this out. And these are just $1.25 for this antiperspirant. Speaking of dad, Father's Day things are starting to show up, and first of all, they're always putting out the mugs first at my stores. You can see they had a bunch of the classic style mugs here and different colors and different sayings. Now all these mugs are just $1.50, and these are the classic ceramic mugs. Now they did have a different style of ceramic mug here. These are a little different in design, but they had different colors. These are also still $1.50 at Dollar Tree. If you're looking for the beer glasses, check these out. They had a bunch of them. Raise a glass to the best dad, raising legends one beer at a time, greatest dad ever. I mean, all kinds of different phrases on these beer glasses. And check this one out. Warning, dad jokes ahead. I thought that one was too funny. All of these are just $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Now they have this one too, and this is like a drinking glass. It says Super Dad, kind of is having that like Superman kind of look to it. You see the guy with the cape on there. These are also just $1.50. And look at this one. This one is really cute. The best life is dad life. It's got the little fist bump with the child and the dad's hand. I love that. So really cute for just $1.50. Now, of course, they do have the classic frames. Now, these do come out every year. This is the dad frame. You can get that in black or you can get it in a white finish. Now check out this tool bag. I really love it. It has 10 pockets and holds up to 24 pounds. I have seen this in orange and black, but this is the gray and black version, and it is $5, but totally worth it for this bag. Now, Dollar Tree is starting to do a freezer and refrigerator reset, so I have to show you what is on discount. And look, okay, we're going to start off with the frozen section. This bag of whole strawberries or the banana mix with the multi-fruit is all reduced 50%. These meals here, the chicken enchiladas or the salsa verde, either one of those that were marked for 50% off. Those are going to ring up $2.50 for those meals. They have the Nathan's onion rings, really shocking find at Dollar Tree. This is another item that is going to scan 50% off, so make sure you check those freezer sections. Now, they did have these Bite Wise. These are the corn dogs, the mini corn dogs, 50% off for all of these items. If you love ice cream, check out the Little Debbie Cosmic Brownie version. They have that for 50% off, as well as chocolate M&M's version. This one that I'm showing you is 50% off. Now, some stores will have tags on the shelf, some stores will not, but they will all scan at the discounted price because they're in the Dollar Tree system. So I am showing you the stores that have tags, but the ones without tags, those are the ones that I actually got in early and got it before they had a chance to mark the shelf because they were scanning at that price. And you can see all of these that I'm showing you are going to ring up half the price on the shelf. If you need Cool Whip, it's marked for $2, but it will scan $1 at the register on this clearance. These M&M packs here, these are the M&M like ice cream sandwiches. The peanut butter only is half price at only 63 cents. These little packs of salmon, these are $5 a piece, scanning at $2.50 on the clearance. I was surprised to still see these on the shelf. Now, we've all seen these Celeste pizzas. They've got the pepperoni pizza. You can also get the sausage and pepperoni pizza. They also had just the cheese pizza. Either one you choose, they're going to scan at 63 cents at the register. Another thing that's 63 cents is this bag of chopped broccoli. These broccoli cuts, 63 cents for a full bag of frozen broccoli. If you like the noodle meals and pasta meals, they did have the garlic chicken meal. These are $4.50, but they will be $2.25. Now, another flavor they had was the chicken Alfredo. That's another one that is going to be 50% off at the register. Now, here's another thing that you want to add with your pasta meal, Texas toast. These will scan 63 cents at the register under the 50% off sale. Now, they have a lot of the Goya brands at Dollar Tree, and this time the Goya empanadas and the chicken empanadas, they will be 50% off as well. Now, make sure on all of these items, always check the expiration dates. Sometimes Dollar Tree overlooks those items, so make sure you check the expiration on all of these before purchasing. Now, these Jack's pizza sticks, these were another thing that were $2. You get 4 of them in this pack. They will scan $1 at the register. Now, these 2 packs of Tyson brand chicken sandwiches. This was such a great deal for 50% off. There was only 1 left on the shelf. It was $5. Now it is $2.50. Now, these Steakum steaks, only the chicken is reduced down to $1.50. 50% off for these Steakum items. The Sonic tater tots, which is actually a pretty good size bag, they were $5. Now they are $2.50. These buffalo chicken buffalo style chicken egg rolls. This was another item that you could get for 63 cents on the sale. And check these out. If you love Hot Pockets, you can get any of these varieties. You could get the pepperoni pizza version. You could get the meatballs and mozzarella version Hot Pocket, or you could get the ham and cheese. These will all scan at 63 cents a piece at Dollar Tree. These Armour brand everything bagel dogs, these will also scan for 63 cents at the register. Now in the refrigerated section, I found some things. This Bar S deli style oven roasted turkey breast. This was also reduced on the sale, 50% off. You'll get it for $1.50. This is only the turkey. And if you want these little snacks here, these balanced breaks, these will be 63 cents, as well as some of the Armour version, but they were sold out at my store. Now, if you love the Reese's International Delight iced coffee or the caramel macchiato version, both of those were 50% off as well, so they will scan only at $1.50. Now, in the regular items in the pantry section at Dollar Tree, I found this tortellini for cheese. I've never seen this before on the shelf as a shelf-stable item. This is $1.50, you guys, a brand new item that just showed up. Now, they didn't forget the pets. Over in the pet section, I found these Disney Winnie the Pooh dog biscuits made in the USA. I thought that for this large bag for $1.50 was a good deal, so make sure you check those out as well. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There are a few things I wanted to feature. First of all, I thought these were the cutest. These are SpongeBob inspired rubber ducks, and they're actually a pretty good size for $5. You get the SpongeBob version, the Squidward version, and the Patrick version for just $5. And with Father's Day coming up, I found even more seat covers. This week I found the red and black and the blue and black. Now last week I found the gray and black and the tan and black, so go back to that video to see those. But these are just $5 a piece for these seat covers. Now, if you are wanting to get things for your lawn and garden and just don't want to head to the big box stores, make sure you check it out. They always have things. This is the Cutter Backyard Pest Control. They do have a lot of different items for your garden. I avoid the big box stores like the plague. So going to Dollar Tree to get a few of these things just avoids that trip, and I save a little gas in the long run. So yes, they did have some Spectracide items too if you're looking for bug control or weed control. So make sure you check out that area, especially if you just don't want to head out to the big box stores to get all of these things. And I really do hope you guys find these things and more at your stores. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more fun, awesome finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget, it's free to subscribe, and you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.